So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB Kid 3 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share to you on how we overhaul the cylinder cover. So as you can see guys, this is the main engine cylinder cover number 6, and the task is to overhaul the cylinder cover together with the exhaust valve. So I would like to share guys on how we operate the hydraulic jack and how we remove the cylinder cover nuts using the hydraulic jack. So as you can see guys, we just loosen the nut in between of this cylinder cover, and as you observe, there are only 2 hydraulic jack. So our main engine guys is Mitsubishi, and we have only 2 hydraulic jack for overhauling. So we are using the crisscross method guys. So if there are 6 nuts on the cylinder cover, then we have to do it 3 times to remove the cylinder cover nuts. Now we already installed the hydraulic jack, and as you can see guys, and this is very important, is to properly bleed the air pockets or any air bubbles inside the hydraulic jack. As you can see guys, this is just very simple. You have to tie it fully and bleed the hydraulic jack before putting the hydraulic hose. Otherwise you can put also the hydraulic hose, then just press it tightly, so to be sure that no any air pockets in the hydraulic jack. This is very important guys, otherwise if there are pockets, air bubbles or pockets present in the hydraulic jack, it will lead to leak the O-ring and backup ring. It will damage the O-ring and backup ring guys if there is some pockets. So that's how important to bleed the hydraulic jack before pumping, before starting the hydraulic pump. So in this Mitsubishi engine guys, we have to follow all the stated instruction from the maker's instruction book. So the turn back of this hydraulic jack, this type of hydraulic jack, is 675 degrees. So it's almost 2 complete round of the hydraulic jack, but this is 675. So when you make 2 complete round, you have to turn it back like 1/4. So just remember guys to follow the turn back of the hydraulic jack for easy moving, for easy dismantling of the hydraulic jack, and not to give any problem with the nut against the hydraulic jack. So this time we start pumping now, the hydraulic pump. As you can see guys, this is the hydraulic pump. Now we are start pumping using the hydraulic pump. So the loosening pressure guys is 642 bar, and the tightening of this is 635 bar, the setting pressure. Now just very important guys to gradually increase the hydraulic pressure up to 640 bar, as you can see guys. And when you lose the nut, it has to be loosened at least one turn, or around 7 to 8 holes. So when you turn back properly the hydraulic jack, you won't get any problem with the with the cylinder cover nuts when you follow exactly the turning back of the hydraulic jack before pumping, guys. So it's around 7 to 8 holes you have to lose it, 7 to 8 holes for before releasing the hydraulic jack. As you can see, guys, this is very important also on how to release the pressure, the 640 bar pressure. You have to do it very slowly. This is very important, guys, to avoid any back pressure. You have to do it very slowly. It's very important, guys, as to remind everyone using hydraulic jack. It's very important to slowly release the pressure. As you can see, guys, just we finished loosening. The hydraulic jack has to be tightened in order to avoid any air pockets, air bubbles just inside, just to be sure that the jack must be seated first to release any pockets or air pockets or bubbles inside, just to be sure, guys, for the next using it will be easy, and just to make it sitting properly and turning it back. Just to give you an idea, guys, this is by experience. It won't give any trouble when you handle properly all these hydraulic jacks, hydraulic pumps. So just to make it easy, you have to do it properly and correctly, guys. So for this hydraulic hoses connections, you have to carefully handle this one, guys, not to damage any thread, because it will be a big problem when some threads are damaged. So this time, guys, we are now in the crisscross side of the cylinder cover nuts, so we have to press it 640 bars. So it is very important, guys, to follow all the instruction book before carrying out this kind of job. When handling with this high pressure hydraulic hoses, hydraulic pumps, you have to do it carefully and properly, guys, to avoid any problems. And we have to use all the PPE, guys, when handling of all of these high pressure pumps, hydraulic hoses. So you have to set it 640 bars, and as you can see, guys, the nut is already turning. You have to turn it at least 7 to 8 holes for easy removal of the hydraulic jack and the cylinder cover nuts. Same with the other side, so crisscross at the same time, guys. You have to gradually release the pressure to avoid any back pressure, to avoid any problem, any back pressure of this high pressure hydraulic jack. As you can see, guys, before we remove the hydraulic jack, we pressed it to release any air pockets, air pressures, and just to be sure for the next using it will be sitting properly. So until here, guys, I hope you learned something about this kind of video, guys, and if you're interested for some marine engineering videos, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. And for my upcoming video, guys, I will upload more about marine engineering videos. Thank you for watching this JB23 vlog. Bye bye.